Hello guys, welcome at this YouTube channel. So let's come with know, and if you want to do, and if you want to speak front of the people, so if you are thinking, so you should try to do, and it should come as type thought, as type think in your mind. You can do better than from the other people if you will think, and if you want to improve yourself, so you can speak. And if I I have already say all of you. So if you want make up the sentences, and if you want know that grammar portion, so I hope you will get to speak better from the other people. So when and you know grammar portion, I have already said at the start. So you can speak front of the people, and you can do, and you should try to do. So when you do, and when you go anywhere place, so you should think that what we would say about this thing. If you see anything, so you should consider in your mind how can we know at this meaning. So if you would know that, and if you will compare yourself from the thing, so I hope you will get to speak, and you can speak better from the another people. So you should try to do, and you should think that. So I write letter and learn many words meaning, but the meantime I could forget some words. I cannot speak front. I could not speak lot of word. I don't connected more word. I don't add. Why teach? Why it is become ourself? I want to know that all of you. If you want to do, if you want to speak, and if you think that I will get to speak, I want to speak, I want to, I can do, so how can we speak? So till we would not make mentally strong. I cannot speak something in front of the people. I cannot do better than in our life. So many people become agitated. They speak without grammar. You have to see, you have to see someone's, they speak, and they speak very frontally. So I watched many video on the YouTube, and I accept some consider in our mind. I connected. So I want to improve ourselves, and I want to speak frankly. So love you will get to better from the other people. If you want to do, so you should try to do, and you can do. I think that I could speak, and I could make strong ourselves. It is need in our life. So we have to improve ourselves, and we have to gain lot of words, lot of phrases, words, and want to that. So love you. So we have to need your support if you watching my YouTube channel. So please guys, push the bell icon. So thank you watching this video. And if you want to speak, and if you want to learn something in your life, and if you want to make stronger communication skill, you should make your English. When we think that the word don't come in our mind, so what we have to speak front of the people. So if you would say, and I cannot get to speak